Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to use a VPN for some apps but not others? In this video, we'll show you how to set up split tunneling on NordVPN so we can customize our connection exactly how we want. This feature lets us choose which apps or websites go through the VPN, while others connect directly. This gives us more control over our internet connection. Now let's get started. NordVPN split tunneling is a feature that allows us to select which applications route their internet traffic through an encrypted VPN tunnel, and which bypass it to access the internet directly. This does not affect performance. It just manages bandwidth and enables us to access both local and secure foreign content at the same time. This feature is available on Android, Android TV, and Windows. The purpose of split tunneling on NordVPN is to let us choose which apps or websites go through the VPN and which use our regular internet connection. This lets us protect sensitive data while keeping speed and access for things like streaming, local content, or banking apps. Now, let's go through the steps so everyone can follow along, even if you're new. First, open your NordVPN application. Let's log into our account and connect to any server we want. To choose which apps use NordVPN, we use split tunneling. To find split tunneling, go to the lower left corner of the application. Go to Settings. Click Settings. Under Settings, you'll see General, Account, Connection, and Security, Kill Switch, Split Tunneling, Feedback, and Terms. Since we want split tunneling, go to the Split Tunneling section. Split tunneling helps us select which apps we want to use or not use with the VPN. We can set the connection type for each app. If we want to select specific apps, click this option. Here, you can add the app you want to set up. You can choose any app you want. Decide which app will use the VPN and which will not. That's how we use split tunneling or select an app on our VPN. This feature lets us decide which apps or websites go through the VPN while keeping others on our regular access, giving us more control and flexibility. Make sure to set up carefully for the apps you want protected and those you don't. Stay in control for our safety.